daily update since I haven't updated you guys for a whole day. And it's another day, another lovely day of cycling. I think I have a hunch that it was freezing yesterday because the grass, you can see, well, it's not wet, but it was white with frost. Not much, because the water in my bottle was fine, but clearly the grass wasn't. The bottle was freezing. This is value across from Germany to Netherlands across the fields. Not much of a difference there. Fields are the same. Slightly less windmills, I would say. Cheaper. I slept in this forest, but it's something I would not expect. Like the way you started with the floodplains and everything, that's what I expect from Netherlands. I didn't expect big ass forest. But it seems to be next to um, artillery range for military. So my assumption is it might be similar to, well, for Czechs, to Brdy in Czechia, where it's like maybe the whole forest was used as a training ground at some point, and now it's a giant park with a bunch of hills, not big ones, but unpleasant ones. General madness. When the bell rang, everyone went ill. The street bikers were first, I was closely following second, and then the old people on e-bikes. We'll see how long this lineup will last, and if we get overtaken. But so far we are holding our position. Kurwa, what the fuck is this? This is not road. Fucking hell. Flat country, my ass. No. I haven't made updates. What the hell? I haven't made update in a while. And I don't really have any updates. I'm close to borders with France. So I should be crossing, I think, today. And then we will be heading for Belgium. I don't know, like this year's trip is weird. Like I have nothing to say, guys. It is nice. It's just it's not same, I suppose. It's not as tough. There's not as much things to comment on. It's more of a leisure kind of trip. Well, in my case, it still hurts and it's still too much, but it's not the same as up north where like there was no one and nothing, and on Japan where like it was 10 plus all the time, so there was always something interesting. And yes, I understand I can make it like a bit more interesting and go for villages and stuff, but or churches and castles but like I don't really want to see them that much. Some of them I see. Sometimes I see interesting buildings and that's all nice and whatnot, but it just I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I finished my breakfast. I had like a pastry with raisins, and I'm trying to finish the hot coffee. And once that is done, we will pick up my stuff and we will try to head on. I'm in some kind of park or something because I tried to find a place to crash out, and this was the only thing that was a bit more private. It's not easy to find spot for camping in Belgium. Uh, yes. So let's continue.